What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 0.90, down 5.9 by basically 6% on the day. Seeing market cap of 7.72 billion, 24-hour volume 527 million. Let's hop into the charts. So looking at the Elliott wave count, we were looking at a wave 1 down, wave 2. See a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To potentially complete an ABC into a larger wave 2 pullback. We could be looking at a wave 1, wave 2. This was all the wave 3. This was a wave 4, and this was a final wave 5. And now you're looking to see that wave 2 pullback. That's the bullish scenario if things were to really shit the bed for Matic. We were talking about coming down to about 20 to 25 cents. But Matic is holding up strongly. Even if Bitcoin comes down to 11 to 13K, 10K, we might see Matic just come down to these levels, which I'll definitely load the bag if that does happen. But zooming in here, we're looking at coming down in an ABC correction, in my opinion. So within the wave C are 5 waves. So you have your wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, which is also a retest of this huge rising wedge pattern. Technical target is all the way down at the bottom of the wedge. I don't know if we'll make it all the way down there, but we have successfully retested it, and usually that does lead to continuation to the downside. So if we zoom in really close here on the hourly chart, just do a little bit of micro counting here. Potentially a wave 1, wave 2. This is a wave 3, wave 4 pullback, looking to put in that wave 5. But micro counting can be inaccurate, so just take it with a grain of salt. But I do think we'll come down to that wave 3 target of about 57 cents. We do have a bit of a double bottom. If we can bounce and throw back up into this rising wedge, then you may see a break back to the upside, but I think we're just consolidating right now, going through a bit of a boring phase in the market. We have a lot of these during the bear market before seeing continuation to the downside. Looking at the zoomed out chart here, we're starting to lose the daily EMAs. We had the bullish cross. We've broken underneath them. Get back above them soon. We can retest them as resistance and then see continuation to the downside. As you can see, we never met the technical target of our large bull flag here, but we are still holding the point of control. But personally, I do think we will see continuation where we get rejected by the EMAs, get rejected by this previous level of resistance, and then see continuation to the downside. But of course, it's just my opinion, so don't take it as financial advice. So that's basically it for Matic. Just a quick little update. Traders look for with these patterns here is that break and retest, and that's exactly what we've seen. So if we do come down and break this low at about 83 cents, more confirmation you're coming down in that wave 3. That will take you down to 0.57 in my opinion. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial. The link is in the description, and you get up to $30,000 in bonuses once you make your first deposit. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. No VPN required on BitGet, but there is one required for Bybit for my US traders. So if you don't want to use a VPN as an American, then you can sign up to BitGet. Email me your sign up email, free access to my Discord. Both exchanges have had no bad news. Since FTX went down and crypto.com had some bad news come out, we haven't seen any bearish news for Bybit or BitGet. So those links are in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.